Big cooking again. See them are fans. Linval, Ginger, Earth Strong. Big up Linval, you know. On him Earth Strong. Ali the big chef. We are run the place all over from St Catherine and beyond. Ali the famous jerk. The jerk lady. Frying up chickens, rice and peas soup. See the country setting, my fans. Yes, look from big pot, look them my fans. Whoa, my God. People, you see the real manish water goated soup. Look there. Pork stew beef. I that you don't love my friend when name stew beef from Canada. Mercy if stew beef get that. Man. Good old curry goat. See rice and peas, they know cottage and all of the fans. I tell you, Tete, look them more rice.
More rice and peas.
Show me, I tell you, the smell to in the center clap.
Fried chicken.
Whoa, you see that?
The whole pots. Barbie fry.
See that? Fantasy Ali sauce. See that? Yes.
See, mommy, call it there.
What nice colour. Girl, I'm gonna get her soup.
Nice soup.
Yes.
Good soup, them man. I want to see on the coast, on the wood fire, no say it tastes
real
good.
Thing.
Right.
Yes.
Nice soup.
Sweet, that's the first person I got sample this soup. First, sweet Jamaican lady. Welcome to country lifestyle settings. Why banana, they look good. Don't talk to you, them. Don't talk banana, they look good. Nice banana after give. Okay, me know them banana, the country settings. My fans, you see, country lifestyle. Water tank. Big up, big up, big up, big up to the fans across the worldwide. Kojak said that. It's a beautiful day. Today is what? The 27th of December. Yeah. 27th December 2025. Big up yourself. Big up what family. Yes. Yes.